Steering is hard to turn as if the car's not even running. You gotta fight the wheel. Well, before you go on and take it to your mechanic and get ripped off and have him replace your rack or your rack modules for your electronic steering, I'm gonna show you the first thing you wanna do and check. First thing you wanna do is check your battery. First, you look at its condition. This battery's been here since 2014, so it's actually 5 years old. And the battery's life today is between 5 to 7 years. Now, if you don't have a battery tester, you can go to AutoZone, they'll check your battery for free. Because if your battery is low, let's check it now. It's going to tell you, test it. See how it goes, replace battery. Well, this could be the issue for your hard steering. So before you do anything, like I said earlier, replace your battery. Now we're back in the car. We're going to start it and check the operation of the steering. Oh my God, look at that. Better.